Hi, Greg Wayman here, Foundation to Rooftop. I'm on an inspection in Omaha, Nebraska, and we have a radon mitigation system that was installed. It's a do-it-yourself installation, and you can get the parts and stuff at the local hardware store. You can order them online, and you can install them in Nebraska yourself without a state license as a licensed radon mitigation contractor. If it's your own home. So I wanted to just kind of explain, you have pressures here in the house, and the point of the radon mitigation system is to get the radon gas that's most likely coming in underneath the basement floor into the house, and getting it so it's not coming into the house, so it's being pumped outside. So one of the telltale signs that you can hear the fan working. Two, the manometer here, which is all it is a bubble or blue liquid in a tube, and that tube is then going through the inside of the PVC pipe. When the fan's on, it creates a little pressure and makes it so the blue liquid is not level. If it were level, you would know that the fan is not working. When it comes to tying into a sump pit, you want to make sure the sump pit lid is sealed, otherwise you're kind of defeating the purpose. So seal that lid up. That's the number one area where radon gas usually comes into a house. On this house we have a septic system. The pump is improperly discharging into the sewer line. That's potentially allowing sewer gas and radon gas from the septic system or around the opening where it comes through the foundation to come right into the house. So this isn't sealed, it's tied into the pipe, the lid's not sealed. Your fan is located inside the house. It's supposed to be in the attic or on the outside of the house so you don't hear it. And then we'll go to the outside. I'll show you what you have going on out there where it's not proper either. I do want to take the time and show you this manometer. If you take the tube out, you can see it level, and then when you put it back in, you can see the pressure go back up and it changes it again. So kind of neat to see, but nothing complex. It's just a little air pressure. Let me show you what's going on outside, and definitely reasons why, if you're going to install it yourself, take the time to read the instructions that are on epa.gov, and then you can make sure everything's safe. This is where the homeowner decided to put the radon mitigation pipe where it terminates outside. This should terminate above the lowest eave. That way you're not having toxic radon gas being discharged outside right where the walkway is. So it's a safety thing. And again, if you want to do it yourself, if you're the homeowner, you can. Just follow the directions that are on epa.gov. They spell it out how to do it exactly. And if you're not comfortable doing it, obviously have a licensed radon mitigation contractor do the work.